Hello dear students of class 12. I want to say that in the previous chapter we studied about the relations, and in this chapter we will study about the functions. Actually, functions are the special type of relations. My dear students, it should be noticed that without the knowledge of relation we can't understand the function. Now dear students, I am going to teach you what is the meaning of function. See here, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Let us suppose that capital A, capital B be any two non-empty sets. Then a function f from set A to set B. A and B are the two non-empty sets. Then a function from set A to set B is a rule, or method or correspondence which associates each element of set A to the element of set B such that all elements of set A are associated to elements in set B. An element of set A is associated to a unique element in set B. Now, I am going to take an example to explain this concept. Let us suppose that, my dear students, these are the two sets, the set A and the set B. Okay? Let us take here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1 is related to 5, 2 is related to 6, 3 is related to 5, 4 is related to 7. Let us suppose that. Okay? Now dear student, first condition of the function is what? Here f is a function from A to B. Okay? F is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B. We have to write in this way. My dear students, listen very carefully. Each element of the set A, this is said to be function when each element of set A, okay, have some image in set B. यानी set A के अंदर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनकी कोई ना कोई इमेज set B में होनी चाहिए. If let us suppose that I am taking another example. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. And here 5, 6, 7, 8 is given. Okay. 1 is related to 5, 2 is related to 6. Okay. 3 is related to 7. Okay. But 4 is not related to any element in set B. 4 is not related. Okay. Here what I am saying कि सेट ए का हर एलिमेंट की कोई ना कोई इमेज सेट बी में होनी चाहिए तब वो फंक्शन है. Here you can see the element 4 has no image in set B. That's why this is not a function. फंक्शन होने के लिए सबसे पहली शर्त क्या है कि सेट A में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनकी कोई ना कोई इमेज सेट B में होनी चाहिए. If any element which belongs to the set A does not consist any image in set B, then the relation is not a subset. My dear students, in the beginning I have already told you, relation, special type of relation is said to be function. However, this is a relation but not a function. So my dear students, without knowing the concept of relation, we are not able to understand the meaning of function. Now see, let us take another example for more explanation. See, let us suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here I am taking 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now see. If 1 is related to 5, 2 is related to 5, 3 is related to 5, 4 is related to 6. Okay. This is a function f A to B. Here I am taking second example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1 is related to 5, 2 is related to 6, 2 is related to 7, 3 is related to 8. Okay. 4 is related to 9. Now see, my dear students. Here 1 is related with 5. 2 is related with 5. 3 is also related with 5. And 4 is related to 6. Means many elements like 1, 2, 3 have the same image 5. Have the same image 5. So my dear students, here 3 elements 1, 2, 3 have the same image 5 in set B. This is a function because my dear students, many to 1 is a function. Many to 1 is a function. एक important बात, I want to repeat once again. सेट ए में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हो उनकी कोई ना कोई इमेज सेट बी में होनी चाहिए, तभी वो फंक्शन होगा. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सेकंड कंसेप्ट इज व्हाट? मेनी टू 1. यानी कई सारे एलिमेंट्स की अगर एक ही इमेज है तब भी वो फंक्शन कहलाएगा. मेनी टू 1 इज ए फंक्शन. नाउ सी हियर, द element of the set A and these are the elements of set B. 1 has the image 5, 2 has the image 6, once again 2 has the image 7. Means there are 2 images of this element 2. Then this is not a function because my dear students, 1, 2, many is not a function. 1 to many is not a function. Means एक ही एलिमेंट की अगर 2 या 2 से ज्यादा इमेजेस दे रही हैं, then this is not a function. However, this is a relation. But what I am saying, special type of relation is said to be function. Many to 1 is a function, but 1 to many is not a function. And one of the most important concept is what? Every element of set A, every element of the set A must possesses some image in set B. Only then the given relation is a function. Okay? Now dear students, see next concept. I hope you understand all these examples. See here, terms such as map. Next term is mapping, or you can say correspondence. Map, mapping or correspondence are used as synonyms of the function. Means map, mapping, correspondence, ये तीनों ही नाम फंक्शन के हैं. आप किसी भी नाम से उसको पुकार सकते हैं. Now let us take another concept. I am going to tell you another concept of this chapter. Now dear students, let us suppose that f is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B. Let us take f is a function from A to B. Here I am going to write India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, France, okay, Panama, okay. Here I am going to take New Delhi, Pakistan, Islamabad, Sri Lanka, Colombo, France, Paris, Panama City, and one more. Let us take the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Now see dear students, India is related to New Delhi, Pakistan is related to Islamabad, Sri Lanka is related to Colombo, France is related to Paris, Panama is related to Panama City. Now dear student, we can say that this is a function, and I have already so many times the function is a special type of relation. Okay, see here, all the elements of set A possesses some image in B. That's why this is a function. Now dear students, all the elements of set A, set to be domain. If f is a function from A to B, what I am saying? If f is a function from A to B, this is possible only when f is a function from A to B. f function होना चाहिए A से B में. If f is a function from A to B, then all the elements of set A are said to be domain. Okay? And all the elements of set B, when f is a function from A to B, are said to be codomain. And the images of what? Images of all the elements present in set A, like the image of India is New Delhi, the image of Pakistan is Islamabad, the image of Sri Lanka is Colombo, the image of France is Paris, the image of Panama is Panama City. Is said to be range. I want to clear once again, my dear students, all elements of set B is said to be codomain. But the images like New Delhi, Islamabad, Colombo, Paris, Panama City, you can see here, Copenhagen is not the image of any element which is present in set A. Only the images. You can see New Delhi, Islamabad, Colombo, Pakistan, Panama City. These are the images. So images are said to be range. Okay. Now I think that you understand the concept. What is the meaning of domain, codomain, and range in a function? Now, my dear students, I am going to tell you next concept. And here in this video number 1, I am going to tell you only 2 more concepts. Types of functions. Here I am going to explain only 2 types of functions in this video. Number 1, one function. My dear student, this function is also said to be injection. मैं कैसे याद रखता था जब मैं आपके बराबर था कि एक पेशेंट के लिए एक ही इंजेक्शन यूज होता है, 1 यानी एक व्यक्ति में एक ही लगेगा, दूसरे के लिए यूज नहीं होगा. तो 1 फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी इंजेक्शन. Now the question arises कि what do you mean by the term 1 function? When a function is said to be 1 function, कब एक function 1 function कहलाएगा? See here, a function A to B is said to be 1 function if and only if A not equal to B implies that f of A is not equal to f of B. If and only if A is equal to B implies that f A is equal to f B. Now dear students, I am going to explain this concept. What is the meaning of this concept? See here. My dear students, let us suppose that these are the 2 sets and this is a function from A to B. Here you can see once again I am taking the same example: India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Okay, see here. Here New Delhi, Pakistan Islamabad, Sri Lanka Colombo. Now see, if A is not equal to B, okay, means अगर एलिमेंट सेम नहीं है, as given here, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, different countries हैं, तो इनकी इमेजेस भी अलग अलग होंगी। एफ ए का मतलब क्या हुआ, इमेज ऑफ सेट ए, सॉरी इमेज ऑफ द एलिमेंट ए। If A and B are not same elements, then image of A and image of B are not equal. You can see here, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, all are different elements. That's why they possesses different images in B. If A not equal to B, here let us suppose that India is A, Pakistan is B, Sri Lanka is C. Means A not equal to B, not equal to C. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka तीनों अलग अलग हैं, तो इनकी images भी अलग हैं. You can see India, the image of India is what? New Delhi. Image of Pakistan is what? Islamabad. Image of Sri Lanka is what? Colombo. So in that condition, the image of A is not equal to image of B and not equal to image of C. Okay? I think you understand well this concept. Now I am going to tell you the meaning of this concept. My dear students, if elements are same, then their images are same. कहने का मतलब ये, अगर एलिमेंट अलग है तो उसकी इमेज भी अलग होनी चाहिए. Now dear students, I am going to tell you next function, and that function is said to be surjection. That function is said to be surjection. Surjection. We can also call it onto function. Onto function. When a function is said to be surjection or the onto function, see here. If f is a function from A to B is onto function, a function A to B is said to be onto function if and only if for every B belongs to the set B, for every B belongs to the set B, यानी हर एलिमेंट जो सेट B में आ रहा हो उसके लिए there exists A belongs to capital A such that FA is equal to B. Now to explain this I am going to take an example. इसका मतलब क्या है, कोई भी फंक्शन सर्जेक्शन कब होगा? See here, my dear students, let us suppose that here 1 2 3 4 5, here 6 7 8 9, मान लीजिए this is A, this is B. If 1 is related to 6, 2 is related to 7, 3 is related to 8, 4 is related to 9, 5 is related to 8. Let us suppose that this is a function from A to B. कब कहलाएगा onto function? अगर सेट B में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स दिए हैं वो सेट A में जो भी एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं उनकी इमेज होनी चाहिए. यानी मींस यहां कोई भी ऐसा एलिमेंट नहीं हो जिसकी प्री इमेज A में ना हो. इन सेकंड वर्ड्स, इन अदर वर्ड्स आई कैन से, यहां पर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स दे रखे हैं वो सब किसी ना किसी की इमेज होने चाहिए. यहां लेट अस टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. लेट अस टेक वंस अगेन दैट एग्जांपल. इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका. तो कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया इज न्यू दिल्ली, द कैपिटल ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज इस्लामाबाद, द कैपिटल ऑफ श्रीलंका इज कोलंबो, and the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Now see, India is related to New Delhi, Pakistan is related to India, Sri Lanka related to Colombo, but Copenhagen related नहीं है किसी से. तो इस स्थिति में, in this situation, this is not surjection, this is not onto function. Onto function क्या है कि यहां पर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हों वो किसी न किसी की इमेज होनी चाहिए. कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं रहना चाहिए जो किसी की इमेज ना हो. ओके, नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप टुडे यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फंक्शन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डोमेन, कोडोमेन, रेंज, वन फंक्शन, which is also said to be injection, surjection, which is also said to be onto function. 1 minute, my dear students, and I want to say one more thing. In onto function or in surjection, codomain and range both are same. Codomain and range both are same. Because I have already told you the meaning of codomain and range. Codomain, all the elements of set B is said to be codomain. रेंज, इमेज को रेंज कहते हैं. यहां पर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनकी कौन सी इमेज है उसको क्या कह रहे हो आप लोग? उसको आप कह रहे हो रेंज. बट यू कैन सी हियर रेंज एंड कोडोमेन बोथ आर सेम. तो द फंक्शन इन विच रेंज and codomain both are same is said to be onto function. Now dear students, video number 2 will be uploaded soon. In that video we shall learn how to prove one function and how to prove onto function. Okay, thank you very much.